Hello, in today's training video we are going to discuss the BuddyPhone D2 wireless diver underwater communication system and how to get the most out of your unit. The BuddyPhone is, without question, the most popular underwater communication system ever made. It's been a staple of OTS since the original version was developed in the 1990s. It's designed to be a simple yet effective means for divers to communicate with each other in a compact, streamlined system. Everything is attached to your full face mask for easy grab and go diving. The latest version is the BuddyPhone D2. Let's go over some of these features. Everything is attached to the full face mask with the transceiver on the temple strap. This is the electronics package that houses the earphone on the inside against your head, the battery compartment for the 9-volt battery, the transducer, which serves as the antenna, and a pair of stainless steel screws here that are contacts for the water switch. And then we have the cable to the push to talk or PTT button that is mounted to the communications port of the mask. The PTT consists of the button on the outside, the mounting flange assembly, and the microphone on the inside of the mask. This BuddyPhone is for the Guardian and the Spectrum full face mask. However, we have configurations for almost all modern full face masks that have a communications port. While the BuddyPhone is intended to allow you to talk to your buddy, hence the name, under good conditions, a range of several hundred meters may be possible. Battery life will vary depending on the batteries used and the amount you transmit, generally between 6 to 10 hours. To set up the BuddyPhone on your full face mask, first we need to install a fresh 9-volt battery into the battery compartment. To remove the battery cap, grab your OTS wrench that's included with your mask, a screwdriver, or anything relatively flat and sturdy. Place the wrench just below the battery cap on the body of the BuddyPhone and pry upward until one side of the battery cap comes off. Then fully remove the cap by pulling it off with your hand. Do not try to pry the battery cap by digging a screwdriver between the cap and the battery compartment, or digging at the tab and lugs. This could cause irreparable damage to the BuddyPhone housing or cap over time and could flood your unit. Orient your 9V battery's positive and negative terminals as shown on the sticker inside the compartment and drop it into the unit. Check your battery cap O-ring for hair, dirt or debris and clean if necessary before reinstalling to prevent any flooding of the unit. Line up the cap and press it into place. Routinely inspect the O-ring, the foam pad, and the battery cap for damage or wear. Replace if necessary. Let's test the unit now by activating the water switch. Using the OTS wrench or anything conductive, touch both of the screws next to the transducer. This will turn the unit on and you will hear the boot up menu tell you the settings. As an example, the unit will say, BuddyPhone is on, frequency A, channel 1, volume high. If that's what the BuddyPhone is set to. Let's try that. You can make adjustments to the unit while you have the water switch activated. It will stay on for about 90 seconds before automatically turning off. It will also stay on as long as the water switch is shorted. To change the settings, press the PTT button 3 times, holding the last press for about 1 second before releasing. You will now hear the voice menu reading stating main menu, volume, channel, continuous transmit. This will cycle through twice, allowing you to make a selection by pressing the PTT button on the setting you'd like to change. This will take you into a sub-menu for the selection of volume levels and channels. The menu will cycle through twice and will default out to the transceiver mode after reading the settings back. As an example, let's change the volume from high to medium. I will first access the menu by pressing the button sequence 1, 2, 3 and hold for about 1 second. When the voice menu states volume, I will press the button 1 time to access the volume options. You'll notice that when the menu is reading the volume selections, it is sampling each volume setting as it's read. When the menu states medium, I will depress the button one more time to make the selection. The unit will then read off the current settings and return to transceiver mode. For channel selection, repeat the process and select the channel you want, typically frequency A, channel 1. Note that the second channel is frequency B, channel 4. This is to indicate the matching channels 1 and 4 for our 4 to 8 channels, such as the PowerCom 3000 and the PowerCom 5000, respectively. The last option is continuous transmit. This is used when a diver wants to lock the transmit button to open. This is used primarily for the narration to a camera to allow for hands-free operation. Note that you cannot receive when continuous transmit is activated. Upon activation, the unit will read back continuous transmit on, and then you're transmitting. To deactivate this feature, simply press the PTT once, and it will be turned off, returning to normal operation with the voice indicating continuous transmit off. Make sure your Dive Buddy systems are all on the same channel as you prepare your equipment. Next, let's go for a dive and repeat the processes you've just learnt. Perform your pre-dive checks. Make sure the microphone is in the proper position, exposed from the feather of the skirt to be at the corner of your mouth. Straps fully extended with the buddy phone pulled to the rear so as not to be pulled into the buckle when the straps are tightened. When you enter the water, the boot up menu will be heard when the unit is activated by the water switch. Once you're settled in, practice assessing the menu and changing the settings. Ensure the buddy phone is centered over your ear. Make sure the volume is set to a level that will work best for you. You can adjust the buddy phone back off your ear a bit to reduce the volume as well. Practice your communications. The more you use the equipment, the better you will get. Here are a few pointers. Speak clearly with authority into the microphone. It's a dynamic mic, energy in, energy out. Mumble in, mumble out, so no mumbling. Let your buddy know when you're calling. Hey, insert name of diver. Hey, insert name of diver. When they reply, they will know to breathe slowly or hesitate breathing to be able to hear with minimal bubble noise. Keep communications short and to the point. If you'd like to learn about through water or wireless communications, visit our website for articles and recorded seminars where we discuss how the systems work, how the signal is transmitted, and troubleshooting to maximize the effectiveness of your communications equipment. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use wireless communications unit to stay in contact with your buddy throughout your dive, the buddy phone may be the right piece of equipment for you. If you have any questions about the buddy phone or any of our other products, visit our website at www.oceantechnologysystems.com, shoot us an email at ots@otscom.com, or give us a call 1-800-550-1984.